Welcome to 3 Seaforth Avenue in Thornlands, opposite Parkland, bushland down the street. As soon as you enter the home, you are going to feel the space. Everything is just a little bit larger than the rest. Check it out.
As you can see, this is a beautiful big home. You've got a living area at the front, nice big living area here, great kitchen, 3 bedrooms are separate to the main, you've got ducted aircon, you've got solar power, you've got side access. What more could you ask for? I'm Deb McDonald, give me a call.